Freetrade and Trading212 are two of the UK's leading share trading apps, but is one better than the other? In this video, I'll be doing a side-by-side comparison of the apps, taking a closer look at the fees, the key features, and our final verdict on which app we think is the best. At first glance, Freetrade and Trading212 look incredibly similar. It's free to open an account on both platforms, and you can invest in stocks and exchange-traded funds without paying any commission. Both offer fractional shares if you don't want to or can't afford to buy a full share, and both have slick, easy-to-use apps and helpful learning tools for beginners. That said, there are a few points of difference that separate these two platforms, which might result in one being a better fit over the other. To help you decide which is the right platform for you, let's take a look at the finer details. Freetrade and Trading212 are both free to set up and manage and offer unlimited commission-free trades. There are no withdrawal fees. However, Freetrade will charge £5 for same-day withdrawals, and Trading212 has a minimum withdrawal amount of £1. Unlike Freetrade, which has no minimum deposit, Trading212 does have a minimum deposit amount of a whopping £1. For foreign exchange trades, Freetrade charges a conversion fee of 0.45%, while Trading212 only charges a conversion fee of 0.15%. To open a stocks and shares ISA with Freetrade, you will need to upgrade to a Freetrade Plus account, which will set you back £3 a month, whereas Trading212's ISA comes free with your standard account. As mentioned before, Freetrade and Trading212 both allow you to trade stocks and ETFs. Both apps let you trade on the London Stock Exchange, the New York Stock Exchange, and the Nasdaq. But with Trading212, you also get exposure to Canadian, German, and pan-European stock exchanges. The Freetrade standard account doesn't have a stocks and shares ISA or a self-invested personal pension, but the app does give you the option to upgrade to these products for £3 and $9.99 a month, respectively. While Trading212 has a free ISA, it does not offer any additional financial products. Both apps have helpful guides and in-depth learning tools for beginners, but Trading212 takes it to that next level with additional videos, walkthroughs, and a demo app that lets you practice trading before trying it for real. Freetrade and Trading212 are available on iOS and Android, and Trading212 also has a desktop app if you like to trade on your computer as well as your phone. Neither platform offer cryptocurrencies at the time of publishing this video, but Freetrade recently announced that it is looking to invest in some crypto products in the coming year, so keep your eyes peeled for any updates. Freetrade and Trading212 are both great options for free trading. While both have smart, easy-to-navigate apps, Trading212's interface could be more complicated for beginners. However, its wealth of learning tools and the demo app mean there's plenty of resources available to help you get up to speed. Overall, between the fees and features, Trading212 just pips Freetrade to the post. For more information on Freetrade and Trading212, head to finder.com. I've tagged a whole bunch of useful links in the description below, including a link to additional trading apps and platforms if you're looking to invest in additional assets and products like ready-made portfolios, cryptocurrencies, lifetime ISAs, or SIPs. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and be sure to hit the bell button to be the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks for watching.